here we are also. Pretty much this entire plaza is connected to Benchmark as well. This is the dentistry. Got hit with floods as well. See the same issue. Mud came in, dust. We're just back here. We got our DUs, air movers. And we are drying out the affected areas right now. Yeah, we are trying to minimize the damage as much as possible, and we'll update you guys as we continue to go along. So here we are at Benchmark Physical Therapy here in Monroe County. Recently had a flood here, and we got an emergency call, so we brought our DUs out here and our air movers so that we can make sure that the carpet is dry and that the drywall is dry as well. From there, see some of the dust in the restroom, especially right here. We put the containment wall up so that they can continue doing their business without disruption from the air movers or anything. And just so we can contain the area that was least affected with the most affected area. And we can work in this area without, like I said, disrupting their business. So, if you need anybody to come and help you in your time of need, call Restorations Pro or go to our website. We have financing available so that we can help you out no matter what your financial situation is. If you're interested to learn more, give us a call too at 423-520-6653. And we would love to help you out. And we guarantee a 5-star experience as well. So give us a call and we'll help you out in your time of need. Alright, have a great day, everybody. So to go along with the flood that happened here in Madisonville, the local lawyer's office was also hit. We have places everywhere right now, dehumidifiers, air movers. So there's a lot of damage that happened. All these calls happened Friday. Today is Tuesday. I think we had 5 calls Friday, so a lot of damage from the flooding. But again, it's nothing that we can't handle. So if you need help or anything like that, give Restorations Pro a call or go to our website. Alright, have a great day.